Hey guys, okay, welcome back to another video, and today obviously I'm properly collecting the Performante. So if you've seen in the previous video, which is up there, so click it if you haven't, that was when I kind of collected the car, unveiled it properly, but this is the actual picking up of the car. They've prepped it, they've done all the bits that they need to do as well, so this is the first time I'm going to really actually sit in it and of course drive it, because I didn't get much time while I was there to actually sit in the car and do all of that stuff and look around it properly because there was a lot of people around. So, I'm not really going to talk much. They've got something cool there before we do. They've got something cool in the showroom which is over here, and that is this blue Performante. So, you guys already know what the colour of my Performante is, but this was the actual other option that I was looking at for when I was going to spec the car. But, yeah, decided against it. Nice Venturess there and Venturess there. But anyway, let's not do anything else and let's just unveil the car. Alright, fine, let's pull off the covers. Sean, can we do it? Okay, that's it. Here we go. Finally seeing it in the showroom light as well, it looks completely different. Okay, we're gonna walk around the car and look at everything now because I can finally show you the specs and exactly what I've chosen, especially on the interior stuff as well. But if you don't know, it is Rosso Mars. And yeah, I am in love with this color because it is the first car that I've ordered that is not black. So thankfully as well, this is really, really sunny today as well, so I picked it up on a perfect day, so I can't wait to get it out. But, okay, we'll do the handover, show me all the bits, and then I'll learn some stuff about how to kind of drive it, and then we'll look at it properly again.
Okay, so we finished the interior of the car in the Rosso Alala. So we bi-colour race seats with the red detailing down the middle, and then laser cut etching seats, door panels, and again on the floor mats.
Yes. Does this sit lower than the Venturess, or is it the same, do you know?
It sits slightly lower.
Slightly lower?
Yeah. You've got the initial.
Yeah, of course.
And there's no navigation.
Yeah.
You've got the G-force indicator. Okay. It all gets a bit more focused. You'll see each corner, tour, destination, info, settings. Yeah. You've got soft keys here.
Based on that, okay, fine.
Ignition has to be on to do the engine. Okay. Do you want to hit the bottom one and we'll go to the back of the car? And I'll talk you through what happens back there. You're rather lovely. Forged carbon. That's the only thing you're going to be interested in. Okay. So that's your oil level.
And all Performantes have this gold.
They do, yeah. It goes back. So the marine engines all used to be gold. Okay. But back when we had Diablo, we had the SEs. Yeah. They made a limited number. They had gold cam covers back there. Interesting.
So this is all forged carbon, right?
All forged carbon
stuff as well. Yeah.
So amazing. Going into absolutely nothing. And this is the system for the Ala.
Oh, this is it? Right.
Yeah. So your air induction.
So this is the air. This takes from the front, brings it all the way here. Or you take it even from this side, it comes through.
So these pylons are hollow. Okay. So the air will go through here.
Up into here.
And underneath you've got the holes.
Vents, right? Yeah.
So depending on the driving situation, they'll either close the valves off and you'll have a flat wing. Okay. Maximum downforce but increased drag. Right. Okay. Open the valves, reduce the downforce. Yeah. Forward momentum. Yeah. But you can vector it from one side or the other. Okay. I see. So a high-speed left turn. Yeah. You want this to be heavy. Yeah. So that tyre's pushed to the ground. Yeah. That to go light. That switches off. That switches on. Right. Maximum downforce on that minimum. Side. And it almost steers the car aero. That is cool. It's amazing. That is cool. So when you're on a track, it just feels clean. Yeah. You go your entry speeds into corners are quicker. Yeah. Exit makes you laugh. So that's a brief technical description.
So I'm really looking forward to driving this because I think I said in the previous video that this is the first time I'm going to be driving the Performante. I've been taken for passenger rides before up Goodwood Hill and all that stuff up there, so it was amazing. But it's going to be the first time driving it, so I'm looking forward to feeling the difference between this and the Venturess. But yeah, okay, cool.
Big difference. Running around the outside, just to go through some of the spec that we went with, we decided upon a style pack. Yeah. So that finishes all these areas, the upper pylons in a shiny black. Yeah. Black tailpipes. Yes. Which is a real plus. Down the side of the car, you've got the sills. Yes, of course. Which are also in shiny black.
Sided, and then
it's fantastic against the red.
Yes, it does.
And then the door mirrors to finish.
And black as well. Yeah. Looking good.
Fuel in there.
There's fuel in there. Okay. Oh, no cap on it as well.
No cap. No cap. Straight. Okay. Pit stop style.
That is good. That's about it, right?
In the front of the car, there's some presents.
Oh, are there? Right.
So that's your sleeping bag because you've got no money left now. You're now homeless.
We'll be using that. There you go. Yep.
But in here we've got model car.
Yes.
In here you've just got owner's manuals
and everything else.
Little toolkit which you'll probably never use.
No. what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these out because when I go driving now, I'm probably going to break the models. So I'll put them in the back of my hand and leave them there.
Oh, let me go and get the champagne.
Right. Thank you very much.
We don't drink and drive.
It's looking good. That is pretty cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your business.
Thank you. And then of course the trackers and things as well, so that I know where the car is at all times. That is great. Thank you very much, Sean. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Ready for the first one up?
Yeah.
Okay, the car is outside finally, both the keys and everything else, and it looks amazing in the sun for the first time. Had a little bit of the rev as well, I think, but we're in traffic, so we're probably gonna have to get out of the way. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. We're gonna show you a little bit more around the car as well, so make sure you are subscribed. But yeah, so for a little bit of a drive, and I'll show you inside the car.
Follow me, yeah?
So in the car, first drive, you can't really tell much. What you can hear behind is an R8 behind. You'll see more of who's in that car afterwards. But first drive in the car is interesting. It feels completely different to the Aventador, just in every single way. The car is so direct in the steering, even though I'm just driving around certain parts of London, you just don't feel like you're pulling more of a car along with you. You're just pulling like a little go-kart as well. It's definitely very firm, especially with these seats, but I have gone straight into Corsa mode, of course, because you need the noise. The amazing thing is that, obviously I know the gearbox is way better, so we know that's amazing. But even when you're in a low rev and you downshift in this car, it still makes noise, whereas normally in the other cars you have to wait till it's still high in the revs and then downshift. But this still makes so much noise. But we're heading towards Regent's Park, which is a nice area to try and get some really cool shots. But this is cool. This is really cool. Acceleration, it's unbelievable. I don't understand, the feeling is completely different. I'm surprised at how fast it is, because obviously it's a V10 and it's not compared to the Aventador S, but does it feel so light? The car feels so light. You can just by driving it, and I know I'm in London and people are going to be like, well, you can't really know how good it is now because you're just in London and you're just driving slowly, but just in the accelerations, wow, I'm so tempted. You guys need to tell me. I really want to send this car to Monaco. There you go. I just scratched it. But anyway, the lift system's really good in here, which I should use. But yeah, should I go to top marks in this car? I'm debating it. When this video comes out, I'll have probably like a week and a half or maybe a week to decide. Tell me in the comments, should I send this car to Monaco for top marks? Tell me. I don't know, but I need your help. Okay, so the car's parked out now in Regent's Park, and I haven't had a proper drive, and I've said that as well when I'm in the car, but this thing feels something special, and I understand what people have been talking about now. So I'm going to do a proper first drive, of course, so get some GoPros and stuff so you can see it, get the drone up, not in London because of course you can't do that. And I think the video probably everybody's going to want to see, because you know I haven't sold the Aventador S, I've still got it, is how does this compare against the Aventador S. I think I know which one's going to win, but we are definitely going to be shooting that video. Also, there's an R8 there, which I think you saw following along the way, and that belongs to Ben Brown. So if you don't know who that is, I'm going to put his Instagram over here, and probably you guys will probably know who he is. There's some very interesting things coming with, of course, the lovely One-Off. If people don't know about this, make sure you are following it. I've put the link in the description, because One-Off sold out amazingly within like 30 minutes when it was launched. So really pleased about that. There's some new stuff coming, so we'll find out. But from me and my new Performante, that is it. But keep subscribed. Make sure you like the video, because there's some cool content coming. See you guys soon. Bye.